What's up, YouTube? Good morning. I start picking up videos on my channel a little bit. Some will be fishing with my kid, myself, friends. Some of it will be to do with my car, which I have a 2014 Nissan Versa Note. It's not the most exciting car in the world, but reliable. It's good on gas. It's been lowered before. I've had a few different wheel setups on it. Not much was done other than wheels and lowering it. Today I am going to be installing my BC Racing Coilovers. Alright guys, here she is. Piece of shit. I mean my Nissan Versa Note. Don't mind my shit. Just getting ready to jack it up. A little wood under the wheels to chalk it up. I'm gonna throw the wheel underneath that. Back like right in there. Just a extra precaution because, you know what I'm saying, I ain't got no jack stands. We on a budget out here, son. My rear's first because it's easier. All right, we got the wheel off. Like I said, throw it under there just in case, whatever. I'm gonna be removing that old ass spring, the shock right here, and that's pretty much all I got to do in the rear. Old rusty bolts and my weak ass arms. They're not a good match. I had to pull out my trusty fender there. Got this old OEM piece of shit out. Fuck you. Got that one in there. Still have to finish bolting everything up, tightening it all down, but it's in there. My boy Jose showed up, finally. All right. That shit's installed. I took off a collar, basically like on this one. And that shit is still not low enough, man. BC, what the fuck? That shit's supposed to be extreme low. There ain't nothing extremely low about that at all, bro. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And my boy's sitting in the trunk. When he gets out, hey, butt crack. Look at that. You got out. Look at 2 fucking fingers. 3. Man. All right, after doing the other side, I take back what I said, BC. I'm not extremely disappointed. I mean, it could be a little lower. It'd be nice, but it's probably going to settle a little more. It's not too bad, you know? Not too bad. See that fitment? Woo. See this side. Woo. Look at that. Yep. So, about to do the front. I'm going to start with the front driver's side. My boy Jose's still here helping me, thank God. Yep. Don't mind the dirty engine bay. I'm over here holding the little extension bar on the fucking Allen wrench. It might be stupid. We're not sure. We're trying to figure this shit out. How to fucking install coilovers. These are different from like regular ones. You know, normally you got like the 3 bolts, 2 bolts on the side. Nah. Nissan just wants to be fucking different. All right, so we finally figured out what we did wrong. We're about to jack it back up, get it out of there. But we had to drop it back down and put the freaking stock boot. Yeah, the stock rubber boot back in there. Man, blows my mind. I can't believe I didn't think of that. Dumbasses is probably what you're thinking, and I agree. All right, so it's been like hours. It's dark out here. Got my boy G over here. He's a G. He's helping me and Jose.
All right. You got a screwdriver?
Here you go, Dad. All right, here we are another day. We're out here at my parents' house. The rear settled nice. All right, man. Get 1 finger in there, but we wanna fix that a little bit. I wanna go a little more low. So I still have 2 collars on there. I need to take those off, so I'm about to drop it all down, get that crap off, and yeah. And then this side, I've got the old sway bar end link in here. It was shot. Took it to O'Reilly Special, you feel me? New one right here. It already had been replaced once, so I'm replacing the replacement. Obviously, it's a piece of shit, so. It's about as low as I'm gonna be able to go now. I haven't taken my collars off like I was going to. I just adjusted it a little bit more than I had. I actually can't really go lower right now. I'd probably have to go a smaller tire because it's kind of rubbing when I turn here and this back corner and a little bit in the front corner. These are 215/40/17, but a minute ago I had 2 fingers that could fit in here no problem. Now it's 1 finger at an angle, kind of, you know. So yeah, it looks a lot better. My front dampening is pretty nice. My back, it's kind of bouncy, which kind of sucks because the other day leaving my son's school, this side here compressed right into my freaking fender, and I don't know if you can see it on the video, but yeah, a little bit. There's like a line right here where it, yeah, exactly right here to right here where it kind of just rolled across. So I need to get these rolled too. I'm gonna hit up my boy Rafa. Fender rolling 559, I think is what he goes by. So yeah, that's what she's looking like so far, guys. Coming up soon, this color will be the whole car. Gonna be set up as a fishing themed rig. I mean, I used to have a truck, my sister's truck, my brother's truck. We all had 90s pickups. Unfortunately, I let my sister borrow one day and she crashed mine. So, cause hers is under the knife there. I don't know if you can see. She needs a new tranny. So I am now rigging this bad boy back up. It's been stock for a while. It used to be slammed before. Some people might have seen it back then. I don't really know. Yeah, my brother's truck. Pretty clean. Nice lights and grill, looking all pretty. Pavement princess, pretty much. It's pretty smooth though. Check out his Instagram. I'll tag it down below. Outback, I'm trying to get my parents to slam it. Come on, man, slam it. I know they're gonna watch this. Slam it. I have a new grill at home that I need to pop in. It's like a mesh style emblem deleted grill. But yeah, I need to get it painted too because it looks like shit right now. On the camera it might not look too bad, but there's imperfections everywhere. I might do the top matte black or something. I'm not 100% sure, but we'll find out. Thanks for watching, guys. Check it out next time.